So I'm in my garden and I just wanted you to see my echinacea is blooming, and look at all of these plants from Yankee Sister Homestead. Coleus and big tomatoes, coleus, geranium. Happy. Also in this box are geraniums, eucalyptus, dusty millers, coleus, peppers, leisha, lilac bell, other things, 6 kinds of tomatoes, sage, oregano, cucumbers, okra. Just an amazing gift from my sister friend, gardener, Yankee Sister Homestead. I just love you to pieces. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We are going to outplant the critters. They will not get the best of us this year. We will just keep planting and planting and planting. Love you, sis. Thanks again.